Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. I Kritika Dikshit welcomes you all in the video solution of Matrix Olympiad paper for class 5th stage 2 shift 1. So here I am to discuss part 1st of mathematics. So let's begin with the question first. So here comes the first question of the paper and it says that find the number which is 2529 more than the number shown on the abacus. So here the number is given on the abacus and the number is 1,41,302. So we have to add 2529 in it. Here after addition we get 1,43,831. So here option A is the correct answer. Now let's move on to the next question. Question number second is which of the following shows result to 1156? Now let's check the option and find out which option is correct one. Here it is 1557 minus 48. The answer is 1509. Here we have 2713 minus 1537. We get 1176. Here 2723 minus 1567. We get 1156. And the last one is 2719 minus 1536, that is 1183. So according to the solution, we can say that option C is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 3. Which number is 264 more than the difference between 1 lakh and 98,564. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to find out the difference between these two numbers. So let's find out the difference. Here after subtraction, we get 1436. And this result we are going to add with 264, as we have to find out the number which is 264 more than the difference between these numbers. So here the result is 1436. After subtraction we have to add 264 in it, and after addition we get 1700. So here option B is the correct answer. Now question number 4. In this question we have to find out which of the following options will replace the question mark in the same order as in the options to make the number sentence true. So here in place of question mark we have to place the correct option. So in the first we have 2.3. In place of question mark we placed addition plus 1.5 divided by 2, and we have to check whether LHS is equal to RHS or not. So here after calculation what we get 2.3 plus 0.75, which is not equal to 1.8. So after calculation we will get LHS is not equal to RHS. Now let's move on. The next one is 2.3 minus 1.5 plus 2 is equal to 1.8. So here we get 0.8 plus 2, which is not equal to 1.8. The next one is 2.3 plus 1.5 minus 2 equal to 1.8. So here we get 3.8 minus 2, which is equal to 1.8. So here we get the same answer after calculation. Now let's solve the next one also. So here 2.3 multiplied by 0.75, that is equal to 1.8. So here after calculation, LHS is not equal to RHS. So after solution, we can see that option C is the correct answer, where LHS is equal to RHS after replacing the question mark with the correct options. So here option C is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 5. What could be the number in the start box? So here we have to find out a number which is in a start box. So let's take a number. So let's take a number x. Now using a BODMAS rule, we will going to find out a number that is in a start box. So here x divided by 16 multiplied by 20 equal to 1,32,820. So here after cancellation we get 5x upon 4, that is equal to 1,32,820. The value of x is equal to 32. So after cancellation we get after multiplication we get 106,256. So here the answer is 1,06,256. So according to the option, we can say that option B is the correct answer. Now the next question, question number 6 is select the correct statement for given figure. So here we have the figure. Now we have to find out which statement is true for this figure. There are 7 sides. So let's count the number of sides in the figure. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So first statement is false. Next we have there is only one pair of parallel lines. So here this is parallel to this, and even we can say that if we extend these lines, so this is also parallel. So here this second statement is also false. Now let's come to the third statement. There are 3 right angles inside the figure. So here it is 1, 2 and this one is 3. So the third statement is true. The last statement is there is no acute angle inside the figure. So here this is an acute angle. This is also an acute angle. So here the last statement is false. So according to the question, we can say that option C is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 7. How many angles are formed inside the given figure? So here we have a figure and now we have to count the number of angles formed in it. So let's count 1, 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, this is 12, 13 and this is 14. So here total number of angle is 14. So correct answer is D option. Now let's start with the next question. Next question is question number 8. How many right angles will be formed by the hour hand of a clock while moving from 3 to 12? Means the total number of hours between 3 to 12 are 9 hours. So number of hours in between 3 to 12 is 9 hours. And we know that one revolution in a clock is equal to 12 hours. And we also know that 12 hours is equal to 1 revolution. So here 12 hours is equal to 1 revolution, and 1 revolution is equal to 360 degree. So we have to find out how many right angles are forming by the R hand when the R hand is moving from 3 to 12. To find out a right angle, we have to find out the 90 degree formations. So here 1 hour is equal to 360 degree upon 12. So here what we are going to do, we are going to multiply this 9 hours by 360 upon 12. So 9 multiplied by 360 upon 12. Here after cancellation we will get 270 degree, and this 270 degree is made by 3 right angles, means 90 degree plus 90 degree plus 90 degree. So here we are getting 3 90 degree angles between 3 to 12. So here the correct answer is option C, that is 3. Now the next question is question number 9. The product of 9th multiple of 14 and 6th multiple of 12 is. So we have to find out the product of 9th multiple of 14. So 9 multiple of 14 is 126 and 6 multiple of 12. 6 multiplied by 12 is 72. And here we have to find out the product of 9th multiple of 14 and 6 multiple of 12. That is 126 multiplied by 72. We get 9072. So here according to the option we can say that option B is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 10. We have to find the sum of the common prime factors of 168 and 315. So prime factorization of 168 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. And prime factorization of 315 is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. Now we have to find out the common prime factor. So here common prime factor is 3 and 7. So here 3 and 7 are the two common prime factors. And in the question it is said that we have to find out the sum of the common factors. So here sum is 3 plus 7 is 10. So the correct answer is 10. According to the option, we can say that option A is the correct answer. Question number 11 is what must be subtracted from 1163 upon 7 to get twice the 11th multiple of 7. So here according to question, let's take the number x. Let the number be x. Now it is said that what must be subtracted from. So here according to question, 1163 upon 7 minus x is equal to twice the 11th multiple of 7, means twice 11th multiple is 77. 11 multiplied by 7 is 77. Let's solve it. So after solving this, we get 85 upon 7. So here According to option D is the correct answer. Now, let's solve the next question, question number 12. What is the product of all the common factors of 16 and 24? So, let's write down the factors of 16 first. Factors of 16 is 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. The next we have factors of 24, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Here the common factors are 1, 2, 4 and 8. So 1, 2, 4 and 8. And in the question it is said that we have to find out the product of all these common factors. So let's find out the product. One multiplied by 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 8. So here it is. 8 multiplied by 8 is equal to 64. Here option B is the correct answer. Now let's move on to the next question. Now the next question is question number 13. A rectangular strip of paper with perimeter 46 cm is folded on both sides such that EABC and JIHG are squares. Mean these are square. All the sides are equal in the squares. What is the width of the paper? So we have to find out the width of the paper. Also find the area of the paper strip. So here we have to find out the area also. So first we have to find out the width and then second we have to find out the area. So let's start with the first thing that is given to us, that EABC is a square and here JIHG is also a square. Means all the sides of this squares are equal. Here EA is equal to AB and AB is equal to BC. BC is equal to CE and here DC is also equal to this width. So here in the same way the width of this square is also same. JI is equal to IH, that is HG then and then GJ and the next one is JF. So these all sides are equal to each other. Now what we are going to do, we are going to find out the width of this paper. So here total number of equal sides we are having 10. 10 multiplied by width, whatever the width is there, plus 8 and in the below side also we have 8. So 8 plus 8, that is equal to 46. Now let's find out ten width plus 16 is equal to 46. So here width is equal to 3. So here we get the answer that the width of this strip of a paper is 3 centimeter. Now after finding the width, what we have to find out? We have to find out the area. So this is a rectangular shape paper. So now we have to find out the area. For area, what we have to know? We have to know the formula, that is L into B. For this, we have the width but we don't have the length of the paper. So what we are going to do? We have to find out the length of the paper by taking the help of parameters formula. Parameter is equal to 2 multiplied by L plus B. Here we know parameter is 46, 2, L we don't know, width we know, that is 3. 46 divided by 2. So here we get 23 equal to L plus 3. So the next step will be L is equal to 23 minus 3, that is equal to 20. So the length of the paper strip is 20 centimeter. Now we get the length, we get the width. We are going to put the values in the formula. 20 multiplied by 3, that is equal to 60 centimeter square. So here width is 3 centimeter, area is 60 centimeter. So according to the question, we can say that out of these 4 options, option B is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 14. Find the area of the given figure. We have to find out the area of this figure. Now the figure is an irregular figure. Here to find out the area, first we have to do the little bit construction, and we have drawn a line to distribute this irregular figure into rectangles. So this is rectangle 1 and this is rectangle 2. So here the length and breadth of this first rectangle is, this whole is 10. If this side is 5, then 10 minus 5 is 5. 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. So the area of first rectangle is 15 centimeter square. Now we have to find out the area of the second rectangle. This one is 10 centimeter and this is 5. So 10 multiplied by 5 is 50 centimeter square. So length multiplied by breadth is the area of the rectangle. Now here rectangle 1 plus rectangle 2 is 15 plus 50 gives us 65. So here 15 centimeter plus 50 centimeter. We have to add both the rectangles area to get the area of this whole figure. We get 65 centimeter square. So here according to option C is the correct answer, 65 square centimeter, or here we can say that 65 centimeter square. Now let's begin with the next question. Question number 15. Mohit is a student of class 5th. He wants to fence his field. So find the total length of wire he requires for fence. So here we have to fence a irregular field. Here we have to find out the parameter of the figure, or we can say that field. So we know that to find out the parameter of an irregular shape or figure, we have to add all the measurements that is given on the outer side of the field. So parameter of an irregular figure is sum of all sides. So here we have to add 6 plus 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 2. So after addition of all the sides, we get 40 centimeter. So the sum of all sides is 40 centimeter, and that is the parameter of this irregular field. So according to the question, we can say that option D is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 16. In the given figure not drawn to scale, ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square and unshaded part are rectangle. It means this is a rectangle and the outer part is a square. So we have to find out shaded area of the given figure. So let's find out the area of the square first. So area of a square is side into side. So here side is 40 centimeter. 40 multiplied by 40 is 1600 centimeter square. So the area of whole square is 16 centimeter square, and we have to subtract the area of these two rectangles to find out the area of the shaded part. So let's find out the area of rectangle. We know that area of rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. So here the area of first rectangle is 8 and the next is 10. So here 10 multiplied by 8 is 80 centimeter square, and we know that we have two rectangles, so we will going to multiply 80 by 2. So we get 160 centimeter square. So this is the area of the two rectangles. Now we have to find out the area of the shaded part. We are going to subtract the area of a square minus area of rectangles. Square. So here after subtraction we get 1600 minus 160. So the difference is 1440 centimeter square, or we can say that square centimeter. So here according to the option, we can say that option D is the correct answer. Now let's solve the next question, question number 17. The total capacity of containers A and B is 30.32 liter. If the capacity of containers A, B, C altogether is 46.06 liter, then the capacity of container C is. So here to find out the capacity of container C, what we have to do? We have to find out the difference between the capacity of container A, B, C and the capacity of container A and B. So here we have to subtract 46.06 and 30.32 liter. So after subtraction we get 15.74 liter. So the capacity of container C is 15.74 liters. So according to question, option A is the correct answer. Now the next question, question number 18. A hall is 15 meter long and 12 meter broad. If the sum of the areas of the floor and the ceiling is equal to the sum of the areas of 4 walls, the volume of the hall is. So here we have to find out the volume of the hall. So here the information is length is equal to 15 meter, that is given to us, and breadth is equal to 12 meter. So according to question, let's write down area of floor plus area of ceiling is equal to area of 4 walls. So here, according to question, we can say that area of floor plus area of ceiling is equal to sum of area of 4 walls. So here, L into B plus L into B is equal to 2 multiplied by L plus B H. Here we get 15 multiplied by 12 plus 15 multiplied by 12 equal to 2 multiplied by 15 plus 12 H. As height is unknown to us, so here let's find out the height first. So here we get 2 multiplied by 180, that is equal to 180 plus 180, that is equal to 2 multiplied by 27 H. So here we can say that 2 multiplied by 15 divided by 2 multiplied by 27 to H. So here the height is 180 upon 27, that is equal to 20 upon 3. So volume will be L into B into H. Here we get 15 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 20 upon 3. After cancellation we get 1200 meter cube. So according to the question, we can say that volume of the hall is 1200 meter cube. Here option C is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 19. Sahil bought 2 bottles of oil. Bottle A contains 89.15 liter oil and bottle B contains 233.321 liter oil. How much more oil is in bottle B than in bottle A? So here we have to find out the difference. So let's find out the difference. The difference between bottle B and bottle A is so here we are going to take the difference, and the difference between these two bottles of oil is 144.171 liter. So according to the question, we can say that option B is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 20. Mrs. Sharma made 5 liters of chocolate shake in the morning. There was 6 upon 11 liters of shake left in the evening. Now, how much chocolate shake was used during the day? So according to the question, we have to find out how much shake was left during the day. So total shake was 5 liters and we have to find out the left chocolate shake. So here 6 upon 11 liter of shake is left in the evening. So we are going to subtract 6 upon 11 from 5. So here after subtraction we get 49 upon 11 and converting 49 upon 11 into mixed fraction, we will get here 5 upon 11. So here according to the question, we can say that option C is the correct answer. Now the next question is match the column. Question number 21. The least common multiple of numbers 56 and 64 is. So here we have to find out the LCM of number 56 and 64. So after finding out the LCM, we will get the answer 448. So using the prime factorization rule, we can find out the LCM of these two numbers. The highest common factor of numbers 198 and 288 is. So here we have to find out the HCF. So the HCF of 198 and 288 is 18. As the common factors are 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Now the next last one is the product of second multiple of 8, means 2 multiplied by 8, and the fifth multiple of 7 is. So here we have to find out the product of these two numbers. 2 multiplied by 8 is 16 multiplied by 35. So after doing the calculation, we get 560. So here the correct answer is 560. So the correct sequence is 2, 3, 1. So according to the option, 2, 3, 1 is in the first option. So here option A is the correct answer. Now let's solve the next question. Question number 22. In this, we have to match the correct degree of an angle formed by the arms of the clock. So here in the first, it's forming 90-degree angle. Here it's have 270 degree and the R is 180 degree. So the sequence is 2, 3, 1. So here 2, 3, 1 is in the option A. So here option A is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 23. Match the column 1 with match the column 2. Here we have, in column 1 we are having few solid shapes, and in column 2 we are having volumes. So we have to match the correct volume with the correct shape. So here let's count the first one. Here one is small square volume is 1 centimeter cube. So here it is 4 square. So the correct volume is 4 centimeter cube. So here the answer of first one is 3. Next we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cubes. So the correct answer is 8 centimeter cube. And here we have 4, 4, 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. So the correct answer is 16 centimeter cube. So the correct sequence is 3, 2, 1. So 3, 2, 1 is in the option C. So here option C is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 24. For which of the following statement is true or false? So here we have to find out which statement is true and which statement is false. So here first statement is area and perimeter of a square of side 8 meter are equal. So let's find out first the area of a square with side 8 meter is 4 multiplied by side, that is 8. 4 multiplied by 8 is 32 meter, and area of this square is side into side, that is 8 multiplied by 8, 64 meter square. So here 64 meter square is the area of the square with side 8 meter. So here we can see that perimeter and area of a square of side 8 meter are not equal. So the first statement is false. The next statement is if the side of a square is double, then its perimeter is also doubled. So let's take a square with side x centimeter. Then the perimeter of this square is 4 multiplied by x, that is 4x. And if we double the side, now the side is doubled, that is 2x. Then the perimeter is 4 multiplied by 2x, that is equal to 8x. So we can see that if the side of a square is double, then the perimeter also double. So second one is true. Third is if the sides of a rectangle are given in centimeter, then its perimeter is measured in square centimeter. So this statement is false because perimeter is measured in centimeter if the side of a rectangle is given in centimeter. So here the sequence is false, true, false. So here option D is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 25. In this question we have to state which statement is true and which is false. Now here the first one is the expression 20 minus 5 divided by 5 equal to 20 divided by 5 minus 5 is correct. So here let's solve it. It's 15 divided by 5 equal to 4 minus 5. So the next step is 3 equal to minus 1. So here LHS is not equal to RHS. So first one is false. Now the next one, the expression 88 minus 10 upon 2 plus 13 equal to 100 multiplied by 2 minus 75 upon 25 is correct. So here let's solve it. While doing lowest form, 10 upon 2 is 5 and here 75 upon 25 is 3. So here 88 minus 5 plus 13 equal to 200 minus 3. Here we get 96 equal to 197. So this is not equal. So here LHS is not equal to RHS. The second statement is also false. The next is the expression 10 square plus 10 minus 10 divided by 10 divided by 10 is equal to 10 is correct. So here let's solve it. It's 100 plus 10 minus 10 is 0 divided by 10 is 0 divided by that is equal to 10. So here we get 100 equal to 10 which is not equal. So here LHS is not equal to RHS. So here we can say that third statement is also false. So here all the statements are false. According to the question we can say that option C is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 26. Here also we have to state which statement is true and which statement is false. So here the first one is the number of factors of a given number are infinite. The number of factors. Here any number has a finite factors. So here the statement first is false because number of factors of a given numbers are finite. Next is every number is not a multiple of 1. This statement is also false because every number is a multiple of 1. Next is every multiple of that number is greater than or equal to that number. So here the third statement is true. So the sequence is false, false, true. Option C is the correct answer. Now the next question is, most of the angles we deal are less than a complete turn and hence their sizes are fractions of a turn. This is inconvenient to measure and it arises because a unit of 1 turn is very less. Therefore, we need a unit smaller than 1 turn for measuring angles. 1 turn is divided into 360 equal parts. Each part is called 1 degree and is usually written as 1 degree. Thus, 1 turn complete rotation is equal to 360 degree. 1 turn is called a complete angle and a complete angle is equal to 360 degrees. So here this is the information which is given to us. Now the question is the angle measured for half a revolution is. So half a revolution means 1 by 2. Now we will going to multiply it by 360 degree. So we get 180 degree. So the half revolution is 180 degree. It means option B is the correct answer. The next question is question number 28. The angle measured for 1/4 revolution is. means we have to multiply 360 by 1/4. So here after cancellation we get 90 degree. So here option A is the correct answer. Now the next question is, International Federation of Association Football means FIFA is responsible for the organization and promotion of association football's major international tournament. FIFA issues guidelines for the dimensions of football field. The figure below shows the football field for a school tournament. One box is equal to 1 unit square. So here the information is given to us regarding to field. Now the question is, what is the parameter in meter? We have to find out of WURQ. Here it is WURQ. So we have to find out the parameter. Let's find out. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is 11 meter and next is this one is 19 meter. So as we know that WURQ is forming a rectangle. So here length and breadth of the rectangle we know. Now to find out the parameter of WURQ, we have the formula 2 into L plus B. Here the length is 19, breadth is 11. So here 2 multiplied by 30 is 60. So here option A is the correct answer. Now the next one is question number 30. In this question, we have to find out the area in meter square of the penalty area. So the penalty area is HGFE. So here we have to find out the area. To find out the area, let's count the number of squares. So here we are having 30 squares and we know that one square or one box is equal to 1 unit square. So the area of this penalty area is 30 meter square. So here option A is the correct answer. So I hope you all understood all the solutions of this part. Thank you.
Hello students, today I will discuss the MO paper solution of class 5th, stage 2nd, shift 1st, part 2nd, science. Now we will start from first question. In humans, deficiency of which of the following vitamins shows the symptom given below? First symptom is given, the bones become soft and bent. It is caused due to the vitamin D. So our correct answer will be option B. Next question is, the given table shows different temperature of water. In table there are different temperature like freezing temperature, boiling temperature, state at 25 degrees Celsius are given. We have to find out the state at the 150 degrees Celsius. As we know that 100 degrees Celsius is the boiling point of water. After 100 degree, it will start converted into vapors, and vapors is the form of gas. So our correct answer will be option D. Next question is, the given flowchart shows some plants grouped accordingly to their utility. Which of the following plants should put in the space marked X? We have to find out the X given in the flowchart. Provide food and material, in which first one is provide food, second one is provide material. Which we have to find out the X which provide both food as well as material. It will be seen in the case of bamboo and coconut. So our correct answer will be option B. Next question is, the water vapor in the air is due to, first one is evaporation of water from oceans, rivers, lakes and streams. As we know that evaporation is the process by which liquid converted into gaseous state. Second one is, it is given out by the plants through their leaves. This process is basically known as transpiration. Next one is, it is given out by the animals when their sweat evaporates. All are correct. So our correct answer will be option D. Next question is, the given matter XYZ can also be represented by which of these Venn diagram? We have to find out the correct diagram. So our correct answer will be option C. Next question is, Megha is preparing a food recipe by reading instructions given in the food recipe book, and instruction for the procedure is shown. What temperature is required for the given instruction? Put 1 cup of sugar in water when the temperature of the water reaches half of its boiling point. As we know that water boiling point is 100 degrees Celsius, and it will be asking about the half, that will be 50 degrees Celsius. So our correct answer will be option B. Next question, given below are the some features of plants found in a particular habitat. First one is, the leaves are either absent, very small, or in the shape of spines. Second one is, the stem is covered with a thick waxy layer. That layer is known as cutin. The roots penetrate deep into the ground for absorbing water. These cases or these features are basically found in desert plants, and it is basically, we can see, Thar desert or the belonging to the Rajasthan area. So our correct answer will be option B. Next question, which of these food sources are rich in vitamin C? As we know that deficiency of vitamin C causes scurvy disease, and we can protect and make our immune system strong by taking the vitamin C as more as possible. So our correct answer will be tomato, lemon, amla and orange. Option C is correct. Next one is, study the diagram carefully. Which of the following is correct? We have to find out the correct option for the given diagram. As we can see that the R is representing the load. So directly go to the R, and R is given in the option B as a load. So our correct option will be option B. Next question is, which of the following appliances when in use show a conversion of electrical energy into kinetic energy? As we can see in the diagram, first one is P, Q, R and S. R is a grinder which converts the electrical energy into kinetic energy, and P is the washing machine which also convert the electrical energy into kinetic energy. So our correct option will be P and R. It is combinedly given in the option B. So correct answer will be option B. Next one is, match column first seeds with the column second mode of dispersal and select the correct answer using the code given below. Light, comma, have hairs or wings. These are basically found in the case of, we have to find out these cases in the cases of basically that is known as wind. And second one is spongy and fibrous covering, which is found in the water cases. And next one is have hooks or spines. It is found in the animals. These three are given in the option C. So our correct answer will be option C. Next question, the given diagram shows two plants X and Y. Select the correct option regarding the difference between the two. First one is the pitcher plant. So pitcher plant, correct option will be plant X can make their food, and Y partially depend on plants X cannot make food because plants that's why it can make their food by the process of photosynthesis. C option is plants X depends on partially on animals. That's the correct for food, and but can also make its own food. That's why they are known as autotrophs. And Y, come to Y. Y cannot make its own food. It is a kind of heterotrophic plant. So our correct answer will be option C. Next question, polar bear are adapted to live in a Arctic region. Which of these are necessary adaptations for cold habitat? First one is white fur, second one is thick fur, thick layer of blubber, sharp teeth, good shine and free forms. Basically these are the characteristics which are found in the polar bear. First one is thick fur, second one is furry pons, and second one is thick layer of blubber. These are given in a option second, third and sixth. Second, third and sixth, it is given in the option first. So our correct answer will be option A. Next one, the food chains can be represented with a pyramid of numbers such as D, E, F are shown here. How the following food chains first and second could be represented with the pyramid D, E and F? We have to find out the correct option. First one is grass, sheep and man. It will be can be seen in the correct when we. Second one is lime tree, caterpillar and minas. We can see the first one is D. First one we can see in the D in case of D, and second one is of the F. It is given in the option B. So our correct answer will be option B. Next one, read the given statement regarding the lever and select the correct ones. In beam balance, fulcrum is in the middle. A nutcracker is an example of third class lever. In tongs, the fulcrums is and the load are at the two ends. Seesaw is an example of lever. We can see first, third and fourth one is correct. So the incorrect one is second one. So our correct answer will be option A. Next one is Menomoney conducted an experiment where 4 identical metal balls were allowed to roll down 4 similar curves with surface of different texture. The time taken for the ball to come a complete stop for the different surfaces was recorded in the table below. We have to find out the correct one. Which curve has the roughest surface? The time taken minimum has the is in we can say the roughest surface, and it is seen in the option S, that will be representing in option D. So our correct answer will be option D. Next question. Birds have different types of beaks to help them adapt and survive in their environment. Study the diagram and given below carefully. We have to find out the correct option from the given diagram. So our correct option for the regarding will be first one, P representing the insect catching, Q representing the tearing meat, R representing the picking up seeds, and S sucking nectar. So correct option will be R, and that we can see in the case of option C. So our correct answer will be option C. Next one, what is the common regarding the given disease? First one is night blindness, second one is anemia, and third one is rickets. As we know that these are the vitamin deficiency disease. So, and these are not communicable. They are not communicable disease. So correct answer will be option B. These are the deficiency disease that are non-communicable, or we can say not communicable. So correct option will be option B. Next question. The given diagram shows the human digestive system. As we know that it is a diagram of human digestive system. First one we can discuss about the E, that is known as esophagus. F, we know that it is a stomach. H, we know that it is a small intestine, and G, it is known as large intestine. Complete the following sentences with the correct letter and select the correct option. We have to find out. First one is food takes the longest time to be digested. It takes place in the stomach. So first with the stomach, it is given in the single option, that is known as option B. Most of the water is taken away from the undigested food. Absorption of water takes place in the large intestine. And third one is digested food passes into the bloodstream by the small intestine due to the presence of villi, and which help in absorption of digested food. So correct answer will be option B. Viraj found a fruit which he has not seen before. He wanted to find out whether the fruit is scattered in the same way as mimosa. He planned to do the following. We have to find out the correct one for this given question. Which one of the above actions are useful for this purpose? First one is throw it in air. Second one, examine the hooks. Third one, place it in on his socks. Open it on, look at the seeds. Second and third, the most appropriate, it is given in the option C. So our correct answer will be option C. For more details, for more information regarding the result as well as the metrics, subscribe our channel. it will be here, and this will be provides more information regarding the result of stage 2nd exam. Thank you.
Hello student, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. We are here to discuss the solution of Matrix Olympiad paper of class 5th reasoning stage 2 in shift first, conducted on 19 November 2023. Hope you performed very well. So let's get started. So question number 51. What number will replace the question mark in the given series? So series is 18, 28, 24, 21, 27 and next is missing. Now after missing term, next term is 30, now 27. So first find the pattern of this series. So pattern of this series is taking alternate term of the series. So alternate term of the series is 18, 21. After 21, next is missing. After missing term, next term is 27. Now remaining term is 24, 27, 24, 27. Now next is 30. So find the pattern of this series. So pattern of this series is 18 plus 3, it means 21. Now 21 plus 3, it means 24. Now 24 plus 3, it means 27. So here missing term of this series is 24. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 52. Find the wrong term in this series given below. So wrong term, find the wrong term of this series. So series is 440, 420, 339, 378, 354 and last is 330. So find the pattern of this series. So pattern of this series 440 to 420, it means minus 20. Now minus 420 to 399, it means minus 21. Now 399 minus 20, 20, 21. Now next is 22. So 399 minus 22, it means 377. Now 377 minus 23, it means 354. Now 354 minus 24, it means 330. So here wrong term is 378. So 378 is the wrong term of this series. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 53. Choose the missing term from the given option. So series is Z, Y, X, U, T, S, P, O, N, K and find the next two term. So position of Z in English alphabet is 26. Position of Y in English alphabet is 25. Z means 24. U means 21. T means 20. S means 19. P means 16. O means 15. N means 14. K means 11. So find the pattern of this series. So 20, 26, 25, 24. Now after 24 minus 3. Now minus 3, it means 21, 21, 20, 19. After 19, minus 3. 19 minus 3, it means 16. 16, 15, 14. So after 14, minus 3. 14 minus 3, it means 11. So now next is 11, 10 and 9. 3 consecutive term. So 11, 10 and 9. So Z. Position of J in English alphabet is 10 and I. Position of I in English alphabet is 9. So here missing term is J, I. J and I. So here option D is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 54. Sarah is facing west. If she turns 135 degree in the anti-clockwise direction, then which direction will she be facing? So before starting this question, we should know that there are four types of main direction. One is east, this is north, this is west, and this is south. And there are 4 cardinal direction. So this is known as northeast, this is known as southeast, and this is known as southwest, and this is known as northwest. So according to question, Sarah is facing west. Initially, the direction of Sarah's face is west. So this is the face of Sarah. Now she turns 135 degree in the anti-clockwise direction. So she turns 135 degree anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction means she turns left side. She turns 135 degree in the left side. So this is the 90 degree of anti-clockwise. Now this is the 135 degree anti-clockwise from west. So this is the east and this is the south. So Sarah will be face in the southeast. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. So final facing of Sarah towards east, southeast direction. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 55. In a row of student, Karthik is 20 place from the left end and 27 place from the right end. How many total students are there in the row? So according to question, position of Karthik from the left. So this is the left of the row and this is the right of the row. So position of Karthik is 20 place from the left. So position of Karthik from the left is 20. Now position of Karthik from the right is 27. Right is 27. So how many total students are there in the row? So find the total student in the row. So formula is left position plus right position of the same person minus 1. So left position of Karthik is 20 and right position of Karthik is 27 minus 1. So 20 plus 27, it means 47. 47 minus 1, it means 46. So there are 46 students in this row. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 56. What is the value of given expression by using BODMAS rule? So expression is 120 minus 20 divided by 5 minus 2 multiplied by 10 plus 4. So if using BODMAS rule in this equation, so first divide the number. So 120 minus 20 divided by 5, it means 4 minus 2 multiplied by 10 plus 4. Now multiply the numbers. So 120 minus 4, 2 into 10, it means 20. So minus 20 plus 4. So 120 minus 4 minus 20, it means minus 4 minus 20, it means minus 24 plus 4 plus 120 and plus 4, it means 124 minus 124. So here 100. So 100 is the value of the given expression. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. So next question is question number 57. Vijay started from school and walked 2 kilometers straight towards south. He then turns left and travels 3 kilometers. He then again turns left and travels 2 kilometers straight. How far is he from his school? So according to questions, this is the starting point of Vijay. This is the starting point of Vijay. So A is the starting point of Vijay and A is the school. First, he walked 2 kilometers towards south. He walked 2 kilometers towards south and then turns left and travels 3 kilometers. Now again turn left and travels 2 kilometers and again turns to left and travels 2 kilometers. Let's suppose B is the end point of Vijay. Now how far is he from his school? So find the distance between A and B. Find the distance between A and B. A and B will be in the same line because Vijay first goes 2 kilometers towards north and he also goes 2 kilometers towards north. So A and B will be in the same line. So distance between A and B is equals to 3 kilometers. Is equals to 3 kilometers. So here option A is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. Now question number 58. Choose the correct voter image of the given combination. So find the voter image of A, V, A, Y, U, 8, 4, 3 and 6. Now find the voter image of the V, A, U, Y, U, 8, 4, 3, 6. Now first find the voter image of A. So voter image of V. Voter image of V look like as follows. Now find the voter image of A. So voter image of A look like as follows. Now find the voter image of Y. So voter image of Y look like as follows. Now find the voter image of U. So voter image of U look like this. Now find the voter image of 8. So voter image of 8 look like as follows. Now find the voter image of 4. So voter image of 4 look like as follows. Now find the voter image of 3. So voter image of 3 look like as follows. Now find the voter image of 6. So voter image of 6 look like as follows. So this is the correct voter image of the given combination. So here option B is the correct voter image of the given combination. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 59. In this question, identify the mirror image of the given object. So find the mirror image of the given words B, U, S, T, E, D. ठीक. So mirror image of this combination of word. So first find the mirror image of D because D is the near the mirror. So it will remains near the mirror in the mirror image. So first find the mirror image of D. So mirror image of D look like as follows. Now find the mirror image of E. So mirror image of E look like as follows. Now find the mirror image of T. So mirror image of T look like this. Now find the mirror image of S. So mirror image of S look like as follows. Now find the mirror image of U. So mirror image of U look like as follows. Now find the mirror image of B. So mirror image of B look like this. So this is the correct mirror image of the given combination of word. So here option D is the correct mirror image of the given combination of word. So option D is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 60. In this question, a transparent sheet figure X with a pattern and a dotted line on it is given. If the sheet has to be folded along the dotted line, then which of the option figure A, B, C and D would represent the pattern of the folded sheet? When the given image is to be folded along the dotted line, line, then the image will look like as follows. So this is the correct folded image of figure X. So here option A is the correct answer of this question. Okay, thank you everyone.